Listen, and repeat. Excel. 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 John excels in sports. Meaning, he is better than most, in different kinds of sports. Janet excels at ice skating. This means she is better than most at, specifically, ice skating. Excel in, or, excel at? You could use either, however, there is a subtle difference. To excel in, means that you excel in a general field of something, for example, sports or languages. To excel at, means that you excel at something very specific, for example, a specific type of sports or a specific language. Synonyms are, to be skillful, to be outstanding, and, to be excellent. Use in and at, in the same way as with excel. Opposites are, to fail, and to underperform. Excel. 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 Like and subscribe to the channel, and you too can excel in English.